I should've been real, I should've been waiting. How I should've stayed patient. Now you comment on things that you hating. Seems like you need a little vacation. Now you cheering on things and things all good. Texting me you're proud and you're shook. How you miss me and you want me to stay in your life. Funny how now you miss everything about me, right? Seems alright. We are on our own path. Oh, now you mad. Wanna have the last laugh, but you all cap. Wanna feel like a drag. I need you ASAP, but you want everything that you don't have. Tell me everything in my life seems all good. Only perception seems all good. Now you think my life is all good, but when you have my back, you did all you could.
I waited so long, I'm sick of the wait. I waited so long, I'm sick of the wait. I waited so long, I'm sick of the wait. I'm sick of the waiting. I'm sick of the wait. I waited so long, I'm sick of the wait. I waited so long, I'm sick of the wait. I waited so long, I'm sick of the wait. I'm sick of the wait. I'm sick of the waiting.
Wanna go back to old feelings we used to have. Seems like every time we get together we end up mad. Tired of the waiting, tired of the lag. I wanted you before we messed up all our plans. You tell me how I should've stayed patient. You was going through some things that you was stating. You told me that you sick of the waiting. When things change without you, all for the waiting. Wanna come back like she ain't changed since. Couldn't be a little more patient, but our love is borderline offense. But we still complaining, still wanna vent. Let's go back when we first met. You tell me everything in my life seems all good. Only perception seems all good. Now you think my life is all good, but when you have my back, you did all you could.